Hello everyone. Welcome to watch SOYAL learning video. Today our topic is about SOYAL extended application. Case study. How to use SOYAL controller to connect the remote control equipment of gate barrier. Application. Using SOYAL controller connect with remote control device to open the gate barrier. It will provide a safe and convenient access solution in car parking system. We will classify 4 parts to introduce the case, including equipment, wiring, setting, test. First, let us see what equipment will be required for this case. 1 unit LCD controller AR727HV5. Cable for power and cable for wideband. Power adapter, 12 volts, 1.5 ampere. Remote control host, receiver, and key fob transmitter. Second, let's see the wiring description and start the wiring. This page we could see the diagram of wiring between remote controller receiver, SOYAL controller and gate barrier. Wideband output of remote control receiver. Connect to wideband input of SOYAL controller. The relay of controller. Connect to the input point of gate barrier to trigger it open for valid access. Controller thin blue cable for wideband input data 1. Connect to yellow cable of remote control receiver. Controller thin green cable for wideband input data signal. Connect to white cable of remote control receiver. The black cable of remote control receiver should be connected to the same ground with controller. Plug pin 1 power cable to CN4 location. Plug pin 2 wideband cable to CN5 location. Power on for controller. Power on for remote control receiver. Press the remote control transmitter to test. The code number will be sent to controller via wideband signal. Now it is an invalid user. Third, setting, we are going to register the invalid code number into valid one. Enter programming mode. Press master code. Select one, add and delete. Select one, add card ID. Input user address 000001. Input site code 5 times 0. Input card code 00001, succeeded. Press key start to quit. Last, test again. Test the valid user. Succeeded. Thank you for your watching. See you.